Okay, FM 101.7.
When a for Eugene Boache entry, Rashabani original Masubi and Pesuaso, MPP Dimu, Deputy Minister Works and Housing. I send any advantina na Sifra Mekomu, or therefore, Mema watching.
You bro, and I say,
Bokwana swear.
Yamia, the more Bishop, Mamuna Bishop, I make say, Akushia go, Isaac, so Yamunia, and Mamia Bishop.
I think come to you, Bill. Sir, Electoral Commission, need some of their basse or compiling new voters register. What a one someone is so a peja edeba. Nefa electoral reforms and so no. Sabre me cousin or didn't in my pa. What's ye? A funny affair, a manuku a woman, woman, gina ye. What's ye NDC? Any dear nipa would want so eka. Na, young fan to say.
So, Grammy, I'm like, just your food, I'm going to be a bishop. The Bunya Busumi, Yame, quicker Jojo, go up to the room. If electoral register, you see, say, you get the Nilamanuku MPP since 2015. As our committee, our kind of vice president, then running late. But about me, I'm another committee now. I'm here, almost church for Rama Creno, Honorable Adjuster for Honorable Matthew Okuprente. There, the information, president, that I know the candidate of Kaibo say. English Transylvania, na yɛtɔmra no ma fiase sama no kwame asempa register no de started say yes sano no right after 2012 you was register no be wa in Kenya after 2012 so a court no Supreme Court no ma be PPA ema no strengthen and I say share yes money can mukina say yeah Kata for the two about or Yema. In the Kwame, the easy for can look once. Said the board, they don't mean the other them, they are so what I say. I mean, democracy, you pay you. 400 million, I better say the 400 million, a more credible register. That's a better baby, any public trim now, and go up on this register, then your papa. What I say, the work here to be ano. So besides here, the democracy there. There was a democracy there. A cut now every step over. Kwame, Takrame the better home. After seeing the credible register, and I believe say NIA food your database no. Kwame means with my NIA card na Ghana card na.
Miami,
my health insurance, my driver's license, my 10 1. Why you didn't have the group? And it's started say your registration in the activity. I'm just it's going to be the number one card in the country. Who give you also? Maybe I will be we have some of our health insurance, but you know, your mama see me at the same, beginning in Abba. They are saying, okay, travel say Germany and Spain, who issue ID cards for who you have to see them with their passport. I'm going to tell you show my ID cards for within the European Union. What do I say? The idea about the one. What do I say? I'm gonna be even able across borders within the ECOWAS region. No? What do I say? Let's facilitate some money. Now, Kwame, and we gonna carry. It is easy to can tap into that database. Being an active while we gonna for already over 18. I would acquire managers of the Tuaba, and already over 21 managers of the Tuaba. What do I say? Because gonna be registered. We're going to give you a go back and let you truly want Shanty region. Now, a city get to radio so, and I ended before Trunk riding. Now, you truly of water region, not your motor should not find and before Trunk radio on the sort of thing.
It's your pa.
The big Catherine left people. You go away on a car. Now, and I see what pension with you on my moon. Now, call now, you cannot wait to see. Really 54 years. When I catch you, say 45 years. So, don't make a now, for 6 years, now there are 2 things. Who cooperation, we continue with you. So, what I say, instead of me, there are consequences. It is a family with the bois, gonna cover the what they have sanitize electoral a space. No, I'm being a more judicial the electoral commission at the year. And which way, but the good say favor. I'm aware pink sheet no. Information is brave or pink sheet is what, Kwame. SAC for no more advices. As how we him that. Kwame has a police station on. Kwame, in raise number of registered voters in. What are they? Well, you registered a week. You themselves. Police station, TK Abuadi police station, it was shooting F180999 F180907A. I remember to my back. What are they? Wame, you themselves. If you want to say about 2 about 7 December 2020, it's a 700 to about. What are they? And no, some people have a print also. You print of print sheet. So, you want to see a money pack. And no matter you know, you see a print. When the first insurance is created, what are they? Some 20 years and for anyone of winning. What are the which why you know they are? Why not to print it? What are they? Police station why we're 700. So you print it. Electoral area did you know? What print it? What are they? Police station we know what print it. And you have to be print what to in the probably we are. You bet my try a small ballot. And it's all you have to what are they? A number of over 700 and you said about 2 years. What do I say? Party be I do be. And one of those, you're not in China, you minimize the writing, no? Not printed material, printed information. I degree. Being a family, these are all normal things for it. Being I know my young, you call a reporter, my partners at a womb. And you come out easy for the time. I'm not saying the question, the line to most of the day. But probably, meaning I acquired a person. You be strengthen about mechanisms, you know. You be showing number and no be before say it be not Supreme Court of Ghana. If you are say for in a you'll be to so now to be foreign material. What are they? Night 22 with them so Ghana. Now go to back. I'm ya can't you know. This revenue account we see a fair of foreign material. The foreign material book women was a 2 about foreign material about local. What are they? Come in and we choose Supreme Court. No year no choose one big na extra no my fear yes and my battle no you be losing so I call you trauma no on fan go jump up for foreign material on fan go jump up for a register if you give about no put me in you should all come together say yes a call for a new register is in order because Ghana after 2016 elections you know development there cost such as the registration of the Ghana card or that is Ghana be you are no more, no more, don't come on, no more, and you support almost almost yet, the kind of parliament, almost on your money. By so many names, say so much. 2 million after year. In Grammy, hopefully by 10 weeks for a year or more registration. No, what do I say? With a voter registration. No, not going to be a question the ID card. And I must also understand, say, your map on our constitution. No more. Apart from say, oh, easy for all. Yeah. President never show me the money. You for Kafa never show me the money. It is a say, only subject to any from any quarter whatsoever. It's the constitution. Apart from what you said, you may register, you may electoral areas, you may more police being an issue for you. Nobody can tell them what to do. If you force someone to come out yet, now a buying pieces cover don't want. Thank you for you, man. That's how we're looking at. You say sometimes, you know, a very comedy. I record. What I say.
But on our way. On the young first said you can tell raise point be say. I dear Nanka say, well, now this level elections are 2 years. A year, Macama. Now I didn't so much yet see honorable Jabanites were tear is in one must say. They are only back on a year for 4 any facial recognition. And no combat me at all software, no matter the account.
As soon as American. Why are we trying to subject a person the issue to hearing why are we trying to do that? And Ghana constitution now is doing mine. I'm not easy to me. Say about one thing now. Woman is anchor. What I say? The Article 45. The free article, a better say 44 coding in 42 Representation of the People, Chapter 7. ɛkyerɛ wo deɛ EC4 yɛ ka ne play yɛ play mfa so obiara ntumi nkyerɛ deɛ EC4 yɛ EC4 ɔmo a ɛde ɔmo ho wote aseɛ enti sɛ EC4 sɛ register our Moses and we say M1. Now we need a new, credible, fresh register for the 2020 elections. Why am I saying why? Okay, I say, yeah, she did the job so what they do? Say interparty advisory. You advise. But I say, I don't know. Interparty advisory committee. So you are an advisory capacity. Nothing more, nothing less. What do you put you? One, then what I say. From an IPAC section, it's near the NBC Becca, ADMB Becca. If you follow on what to call it, and as you say, Ghana for we have fresh register because Mammy Bears and I don't care more Kafa or more IT section. Okay, what's that? Because of Casa will be in Ghana. What I say, and it's fit for purpose. It's in this case, sɛ who say and what we always know or now by to say or more the shaba to mukina saka say we na wa bon say am free na fa me dia grow man mu do to me na wala commission ho to me na ni person ku fuwa ho to me na ni MPD ho ene to me ni NDC4 to me no wala commission ho you know commission bi dia from abana me che wadwen so one of the wo kan to timu a ko be le adwuma o say to timu a no so amwa de ho ya opa no ofa. Okay, I said, maybe what you referring to the Army. You go back. They go back and forth. If there's one thing a family, they say a best shot about to Mukina. The introduction of the Ghana card. Because the Ghana card will be a and a Ghana card a key requirement. We're going to card the which you can through the Army. We're gonna cut and I will call video we are saying and I'll be able to be boost as a actual passport. In what your passport was make one of what you say, you're 7th May 1965. Okay, I say, when I'm going to say 7th May 1970. They may come what I say. I say, about one has some time space. Okay, I say, Gonna be a Korea, the deal was to be I. Okay, I said, I said, when they should be a next city, the trading, I could be a trunk ready. Na the body to here, I know to say what the play trunk ready. You can be we will power, we party easy, we will position or trying to find the corner. Then we will have money in Africa. Then you will say, I am, you need penny. If you make the best stand the test of time, because you will need for generations and born to come with I didn't know we only be a great penny to your mind. It me this back and forth with this electoral stand money. And I think you must support the electoral commission. What they are saying to bring about a or to bring to fruition or more ideas and now more. Almost or my opinion agenda to 4 companies or so. Yeah, that's what let's say. I'm going to demonstration. See this chairman and me all the other political parties. Means man no ko MPP can be. We know technical experts and co. What they are saying. And that the forum is always said appropriate questions. What they are saying, yeah, okay, from now over transfer go food. What they are saying, appropriate forum, no. And maybe on demonstration, no. I will quite be say as a major political party say NDC or my no. Who quite be as what experts you can gana. What do I call? Why then? What could be some relevant questions are? Who but satisfy won't say idea no. Idea about woman you. They want to be okay now to manage Mensa, now to be manage now to be manage Ubia. I said, I walk and I said, didn't have a story because Subi position the audience of the country because of the debate. And after you want a solution to a problem. Okay, on a matter, pay. One is because of Subi now. And now bring out the Amra now on the beba. Why go you won't cry? I'm Matthias here because yes, I'm not the honeymoon. Bye bye. Madura. But I say, Honorable Eugene Wachenchi, the NHA Common MP for Subi, Deputy Minister for Works and Housing.
Okay, FM 101.7.